quick fix, an emotional salve. I will be honest with my humanity. No, I'm not perfect and I don't pretend to be. I need a miracle, some healing for my heart. I need a revelation, a brand new start. I want simplicity where I can rest, but I need a miracle to put my past to death. I know you want my heart, my bruises and my scars. I'm coming as I am, the only way I can. I can't forget from where I've come and what my heart's been rescued from. Yeah, when they ask me who I owe my whole life to, I point to you. I point to you. People say that I've lost myself. I say I'm found in you. I know you want my heart, my bruises and my scars. I'm coming as I am. I know you want my heart, my